So I showed you in the earlier video how to create an event on your calendar. Now I'm going to show you how to create an event where you're going to add a PayPal button. Okay, so this will of course only be for the defensive driving classes. And if you take a look at the video that I did on how to create a PayPal button, you'll see that I've already arranged all this stuff for you. I've separated the buttons into different locations. So once again, once you log into your web page, to the back end of the website, this is the home page, components, event list. Okay, we've got a list. Of course, you can actually add an event directly from here, or if you do this, you can take a look at all the events that we have. Okay, this is a new event that we're going to create. Okay, once again, testing PayPal event. All right, the venue. This is the most important part because this is where you're going to pick out your PayPal button from. So the venue part, let's go ahead and do Gwinnett. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We're doing Gwinnett. Again, we're going to choose the date of this event. Let's just do 4/21 to 4/21, and this class happens to be, you have to do it in 24 hours, so this class happens to be from 6:30. So this would be from 6 plus 12 is 18:30. Okay, and this class is going to end at 9:30, which is going to be 21:30. Okay, once again, Gwinnett is what we're doing this class. So once we click that, this is event description. All right, hit the enter button. This right here is the area where you're going to put the PayPal code. Okay, once you put your event description in, this is where the next part that you go. Oh, I'm sorry, you got to select your category, and this is of course defensive driving 6-hour course. All right, so once again, name of the event, location, category, date, time, event description, and then this area right here. Okay, it's the little page with 2 arrows going to it. You click that. This is where you put in your PayPal code. Now, as I mentioned to you, I did this. This is for Gwinnett. So in your PayPal account, I've already created all of these different buttons for you. It took me a while to figure out how to do this stuff, but this seems to be the best way. So you're going to go to My Save Buttons, and we're going to look for the Gwinnett location. Okay, this is Shallowford Road. This is Satellite Boulevard right here. Okay, Gwinnett location. So we're going to go here and view code. Okay, and then we're going to copy this code. Go back over here to the, okay, select it, update. There's your PayPal button. Okay, you can actually edit this thing here, make it bigger, move it around a little bit, whatever you need to do. Anyhow, that's the button. Okay, once you get done there, you're going to hit apply. This is how you get it to go live. You're going to publish it, hit apply right here. Okay, then when we take a look at this front end, courses, defensive driving, of course, testing PayPal event. Okay, here's your class. There's the different options you can choose from. Buy now. All right, there's your class. Okay, now of course, you know, there's no really easy way around this. So basically, when you're going to change that class, you go in here to the event. All right, and you know what areas you need to change. Okay, we need to change this. If we need to make this this be from, instead of Sunday 5, let's do, instead of Saturday 5/7, let's do just for numbers sake, we'll do this as Monday 5/12. Once again, I'm just making these dates up. Okay, from 9:30, actually that's what it's going to read, and then the event is once again Monday 5/12. Alright, if we make that change, you know, once again, that's how you're going to have to update your buttons. Make that change, hit apply. We go back to the website, the front end of it, refresh this page, of course. As you can see, now it's Monday 5/12. Okay, so that's how you make the changes. So that's how you add a PayPal button. Once again, it's in this area here. And then when you get done, you can of course hit save, and it's going to give you a list of the events. And there's your testing event. So that's how we create a button. But most importantly, you're probably going to go in and put it into courses you've already created. So let's just take this one for example, defensive driving course North Cobb. Click the event to edit it. Alright, as you can see, this doesn't have the right PayPal button on it. So what we're going to do is edit this code, and we know that this one is defensive driving 2-day course. Oops. Alright, North Cobb, Marietta. Alright, so we're going to go over here to PayPal. I save buttons. Put these into venues for you. So this is not North Cobb, Marietta. So we're going to go in here and view the code. Grab this button, view the code, copy it, and of course paste that code over here on the administrator backend. So once again, you know it goes from form to form. Okay, so we're going to take that out, paste that code on there, update. Alright, apply, and once again, this is defensive driving course. This one is the one on from 6:30. Looks like it's going to be from 6:30 to 8:30. Is that correct? Plus 12, 6:30 to 9:30. Defensive driving course on 4/20. So once we hit apply, defensive driving course 6:30 to 9:30. 4/20. Was this the one we did in North Cobb, Marietta? Yep. Take a look at this one. There's your new PayPal button. Alright, there's your classes. You drop down, and of course you select buy now. And this is going to separate, once you get over here, it's going to have all the important information that you said you must have on these. And it's of course the 6-hour class. Tells you exactly where it is. Okay, and the date and time of the class. So, and you already know this part, but if you need to edit that button, you go in here, and of course you just change that. You know, we start doing next month's class, you're going to list this, it's going to be June classes. Okay, so that's how you have to do it in this end. But that's how you edit. That's how you edit the PayPal buttons on the back end here to create an event. Alright. And once again, as I showed you this, I don't remember if I talked about another video or not. If you want to create future events, if you actually just want to hide them, so let's take a look at that class that we just did. You can actually unpublish. Once you unpublish, if we go back here to the front end of the website, once again, you don't have to delete it, but if you hit unpublish, what's going to happen is the class is just not going to show up. So as you can see, it's not there anymore. It's not there. Publish. Refresh. And it's right there. Okay, so this is how you can put in a bunch of stuff at once and just not have it show up. You know, if you don't want to have 4 months in advance or whatnot, just don't publish it. Alright. So that's how you create an event where you have to add a PayPal element to it.